It seems like every year around this time, somebody asks me to make a diamond snowflake pendant. I love making these as they're so fascinating and unique. The snowflake symbolises purity and is commonly associated with Christmas. I wanted to finish off this year on a high by making my most ambitious snowflake yet. I love making these as they are so fascinating and unique, and the geometric patterns really suit my style. I'm going to start by drawing out a design template. This is always freestyle and different every time. This way I can use the template to cut out the rest of my columns quickly and easily. I'm going to need 6 altogether as snowflakes have a hexagonal arrangement. pieces, I'm going to tack weld them on the rope in laser, and then I can solder them all together. I'm going to pierce out the piece and mark on the stones where I want them to go. Now the piece is ready for setting the diamonds, so I'm going to hop onto the microscope. I'm going to be using 180 VVS brilliant cut stones in this piece with a total weight of 3.6 carats. Like all perfect coloured diamonds, snowflakes appear ice white, despite being colourless. We all know that no two snowflakes are ever the same, and each one that I have made is completely unique. We've got lots of competitions and some fascinating commissions lined up for next year. If you want to stay up to date with everything diamonds, jewellery and gems, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notifications button. But for now, we just want to wish all of our viewers, subscribers and clients a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Make sure it's a good one, and I'll see you on the other side.